Imagine Mars becoming a habitable planet. Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun, has always fascinated mankind. Known as the Red Planet, it boasts towering volcanoes, deep canyons, and a surface rich in iron oxide that gives it its iconic rust-red color. With an atmosphere composed mostly of carbon dioxide and temperatures that can plummet to -80 degrees Fahrenheit, -60 degrees Celsius, Mars, as we know it, is inhospitable to life. To make Mars habitable, we'd have to tweak its position closer to the Sun or terraform it by thickening its atmosphere to trap heat, creating a greenhouse effect. This could be accomplished with advanced technology, such as releasing trapped carbon dioxide from its polar ice caps or introducing microbial life that could produce oxygen. Over centuries, Mars could warm and liquid water could flow freely, turning its dry riverbeds into lush, life-supporting rivers. Now imagine a habitable Mars. Its sky turns from pale pink to a soft blue, with fluffy clouds floating serenely. Vast plains of golden red soil would be covered with hardy vegetation, plants adapted to the lower gravity and unique sunlight. Instead of green, these plants might be deep crimson or dark purple, designed to absorb the dimmer sunlight. Towering forests of twisting, vine-like trees could dominate the landscape, providing shelter for alien creatures. The Martian fauna could be equally extraordinary. Imagine sturdy, stocky creatures adapted to the planet's low gravity, their limbs longer and stronger for efficient movement. Mars's shallow seas might be home to glowing, translucent aquatic creatures, while on land, insect-like pollinators would dart among alien flowers. Perhaps intelligent life forms, curious and innovative, would build sprawling cities of redstone and glass, blending seamlessly into the terrain. Mars, now habitable, would be a world of infinite wonder and resilience. Its surface is a desolate expanse, scarred by craters and baked by the sun's relentless heat. Without an atmosphere to shield it, daytime temperatures soar to a blistering 800 degrees Fahrenheit, while nighttime plunges to a bone-chilling -290 degrees Fahrenheit. For Mercury to sustain life, we'd need to completely transform its environment or reposition it in the solar system. Imagine shifting Mercury slightly farther from the Sun into the habitable zone, where sunlight would be just enough to sustain liquid water without boiling it away. To stabilize its temperature, we could create an artificial atmosphere by releasing gases trapped in Mercury's surface or by melting its polar ice caps. Now, picture a habitable Mercury. The sky might have a golden-orange glow from its proximity to the Sun, with clouds forming from the newly created atmosphere. The planet's rocky terrain could transform into a surreal landscape of glittering black sands and vibrant vegetation that absorbs the intense sunlight. The life forms here would be extraordinary. Sturdy plants with thick, reflective leaves to withstand solar radiation, and creatures with heat-resistant skin and unique adaptations to thrive in low gravity. Underground caves could shelter bioluminescent organisms, while surface creatures would evolve to move swiftly across the rugged terrain, taking advantage of the long days and nights. Cities, if built by intelligent life or future colonists, could be nestled in massive underground caverns, shielded from the harsh sunlight. These subterranean habitats could feature geothermal energy systems and hydroponic farms, sustaining life in a carefully controlled environment. On the surface, solar-powered domes might stretch across the planet, harnessing the sun's energy to fuel the needs of its inhabitants. Imagine Venus becoming a habitable planet. Often called Earth's twin because of its similar size and structure, Venus is currently anything but hospitable. Its atmosphere is 96% carbon dioxide, trapping heat in a runaway greenhouse effect that scorches the surface at 900 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's shift its orbit a little further away from the Sun, placing it in the habitable zone, where temperatures are mild enough for liquid water to exist. Then imagine terraforming its dense atmosphere. Advanced technologies could convert the carbon dioxide into oxygen and other breathable gases, thinning the atmosphere to Earth-like levels. Massive solar mirrors in orbit could help reflect excess heat, gradually cooling the planet and stabilizing its environment. Now imagine a habitable Venus. Its skies, once shrouded in clouds of sulfuric acid, now glow a soft gold as sunlight filters through a thinner, oxygen-rich atmosphere. Vast oceans could cover much of the planet, filling the lowlands, while the highlands, like Ishtar Terra, become lush continents covered in alien flora. Plants could be deep red red or black, absorbing every ounce of sunlight due to the dim light of Venus's distance, the fauna would be just as fascinating. Imagine soaring creatures with heat-resistant skin and wings adapted to the planet's slightly denser atmosphere. Aquatic life could thrive in the warm, mineral-rich waters, glowing with bioluminescence. Intelligent life, if it evolves, could build cities in the cooler highlands, combining advanced technology with the planet's unique geography.